You can use your Android phone to create a hotspot, which basically means turning your phone into a wireless Wi-Fi source that nearby devices can connect to. Go to Settings and Connections, then choose Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and from there you can toggle on Mobile Hotspot. My phone is telling me I have to turn off Wi-Fi first, so I'll allow that, and my hotspot becomes active. I can now tap the hotspot menu to see more info. Under the main toggle, I see the amount of mobile data used. Below that, I have my network name and passwords. This is what other nearby devices will see in their Wi-Fi menu, and you can change these if you'd like. This password, for example, is pretty tough to type, so I'll go ahead and change it. Something a little more comprehensible. I can now grab another device, whether it's another phone, laptop, tablet, smartwatch. Really anything that uses a Wi-Fi connection. I'll go to the Wi-Fi menu and I'll see the hotspot, and with the password I just created, I can connect to the hotspot and start using my Android phone's connection. This works across platforms, so you can share hotspots between iPhones and Android phones, Windows and Mac computers, or anything really. Once I'm all done, I can take my Android phone and turn off the hotspot. Another quick way to turn the hotspot on and off is through the Quick Settings. To open the Quick Settings, you'll swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, and you'll probably see a hotspot icon like this. If you don't see it, you can always add it. Just tap the little pencil icon, then choose Edit, and look for the available buttons on the bottom of your screen. From there, you can add it to your quick settings and then tap and drag the button to your preferred position on your screen. And that's Hotspot on Android. Keep in mind that using your hotspot will drain battery pretty quickly, and it can also use up your mobile data surprisingly fast. If you want more speed and stability, you can use Hotspot through a USB connection between your devices. It'll give you a better connection and saves battery life as well. Click the like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.